See kids, in the last video we learned about our sense organ, eyes and ears. Okay, eyes help us to see the wonderful world and ear help us to hear a wonderful sound. That type third sense organ is nose. Nose help us to breathe. Nose help us to smell. Understood no? Nose help us to smell a different type of smells, and it help us to take oxygen in and leave a carbon dioxide out. So that you should keep your nose clean, always clean. Understood no? In cough cold days you wash it and use a clean handkerchief to wipe the nose. Understood the kids? How nose help us to smell and breathe? Nose help us to smell, so that we should keep our nose clean. You use a handkerchief to wipe your nose when you are suffering from cough cold. That time your nose will blow. Okay, when your nose will blow, you use a clean handkerchief to wipe the nose. If you use a dirty handkerchief, it will get infected. Your nose only get infected. Understood no? And don't poke any sharp pointed things in your nose. It will get hurt. Okay? See now, smell. Which type of smell will smell? Perfume. It is the perfume. When you will put a perfume, you will get a different smell, no? Yes, suddenly you will recognize, it's a perfume smell is there. It's a rose smell. It's a mogra smell. Next, onion. Will you recognize onion smell by closing your eyes? Yeah, we close our eyes, but we not close our nose. Nose always open. Nose is always open. So by closing our eyes, we say any smell. It's a perfume smell. It's a onion smell. It's a fish smell. It's a flower smell. If smell is bad, you will suddenly, what will you do? You hold your nose by fingers suddenly because you feel a bad smell. If smell is good, that time you enjoy that one. You saying that time. You feel the smell. You enjoy that one smell. Because your nose help us to feel that one. It is good. It is bad. It smell. It's take a smell. Okay. It is the third number, nose in sense organs. Now fourth one is tongue. Fourth one is tongue. We taste with our tongue. Tongue help us to recognize the taste. We can talk clearly with the help of our tongue. Not a tongue only help to taste the food. It helps to talk fluently, clearly. Clean our tongue daily with tongue cleaner. See in this one picture, the boy is cleaning his tongue with a tongue cleaner. How we are cleaning our teeth by toothbrush. We are cleaning our teeth. By making a brush. We are cleaning now. That time you should clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Use a tongue cleaner. Tongue help us to taste and talk clearly. Without tongue, will not talk. It is impossible. If you want to practice, you hold your thumb in your hand by fingers. You hold your tongue with fingers and start talking. It is not possible. So that tongue is very important. It is the fourth number in sense organ. Now see, these are the different tastes. We guess it by tongue. See, it is a sweet. So see, eating happily. It is bitter. Who told it is bitter? The girl's tongue told it tastes bitter. So see her face so bad. Third is sour. It is very sour. You will eat lemon? No, it's very sour. Who told you it's sour? Your tongue. Your tongue told you it's a sour. Now spicy. तीखा. तीखा खाना से आँखों में पानी आ जाता है ना. आपको किसने बोला ये तीखा है? आपके टंग ने आपको बोला इट्स अ तीखा, स्पाइसी. नाउ salty. See in this picture. Your tongue, when you eat that type of food, your tongue will tell you it's a salty, it's a tasty, it's a spicy, it's a bitter, it's a sour. See, kids, how tongue help us to taste. Understood, no? So that keep your tongue clean. Okay? Now see, last one. Skin. Our body is covered with a skin. Everywhere skin is there. Our body is covered with a skin. Skin is made up of small tissues, tiny particles. They are called tissues. On face, skin is there, hand skin is there. Everywhere we covered with skin. Okay, on skin we are wearing different types of clothes. We feel the sense to touch with our skin. Cover our whole body. The skin covers our whole body. Be it hot, cold, prickly, rough, smooth, sticky. How you will feel it's a cold is there? By nose, by tongue, by ears. Then how? By skin. When cold wind will blow, you will say, oh, so cold is there. Your skin feels that one. Help us to you feel that one. Okay. When anybody will take your pinch, you will get a hurt. How? You will get hurt through a skin. The skin feels that one. See in this picture. When you touch any hot pot, you will get hurt. You will get burnt. Which part will burnt? first burnt our skin. Then you feel how it's hot is there. Okay, so that don't touch this type of things. See here, cold. The boy making an experiment here by touching the ice cube. When you touch, you feel the cold. To any part you take it and touch it, you feel cold because your whole body covered by a skin. Now see in this picture. Will you touch this one plant? Prickly, it will get prickly. ऐसे पौधे को आपने हाथों से ऐसे ही हाथों से टच किया तो ये चुभेगा आपको, तो कैसा सेंस होगा आपको? दर्द होगा। ये कहाँ से पता चला? स्किन से, बिकॉज योर हैंड ऑल्सो कवर्ड बाय स्किन. यस, नाउ सी दिस वन. It is a big one stone is there, and the boy, this one rubbing, means we put his hand on this one. He feel a rough because of this one skin. The skin help us to decide the things smooth are there, rough are there, cold are there, hot is there. Okay, now see, this is a pillow. How will you feel? It's a spongy, cozy. Okay, smooth by touching only. Next one, see, sticky. When you will touch any sticky things, you will say, it's a sticky is there. When you touch the gum, how will you say, it's a sticky is there, it's a gum is there. This type, our skin help us to feel this one, all type of sense. Hot, cold, prickly, rough, smooth, sticky. Our eyes help us to see the world. Nose help us to smell. Ear help us to hear the sound. Tongue help us to taste and talk fluently. Skin help us to feel a hot, cold, prickly, rough, smooth and sticky. Understood the kids? These are our 5 sense organs. In the activity, we'll draw these all 5 sense organs and we'll write about that one short notes. Understood, no? Until you read the sense organs lesson and write down new words just like a sense, organs, vitamins, shoulders. Okay, this type you choose the new words and write down in your notebook. Okay, bye.